Good morning. It's a DMV First Warn day out there. You may be wondering why, considering as you're looking out the window, it's just mainly cloudy. But as you're heading out, you'll notice the humidity, you'll notice the warm air as well. And then later on today is will most likely start to track some scattered showers and thunderstorms. And some of those thunderstorms could be on the strongest severe side, which is why today is a DMV First Warn day. But out there right now, it's quiet. It is warm. Temperatures are into the 60s and 70s. Currently 76 in D.C. We're right near 70 in Hagerstown, upper 70s, Lexington Park. A few 60s still on the map. Martinsburg, Woodstock, as well as Luray, Cumberland, too. Those are some of the cooler spots on the map. Relatively cooler, I should say. Satellite radar, though, out there right now. We are mainly cloudy. We are tracking dry conditions, but that will change later on today as this cold front will march its way from west to east. And that's associated with this low that's continuing to spin up over the Great Lakes region. And with that cold front swinging through, that will be meeting up with some very warm air along with very humid air. So with that cold front pushing in, it will be that battle zone setting up between the very warm and humid air with the cooler and slightly less humid air behind it. That severe outlook, an enhanced risk. The Storm Prediction Center has put parts of our area under that. That's for the easternmost parts of the viewing area. I-95 included in that, DC Metro included, as well as Northern Virginia. Over towards the I-81 corridor, a slightly lower risk, but still, that's 2 out of 5 in that severe scale for the slight risk. Back over towards the eastern panhandle of West Virginia, and then eventually a marginal risk back over towards western Maryland as well as parts of West Virginia as well. If you're trying to plan out the rest of your day today, it looks like those showers and storms will really start to fire up by the middle of the afternoon. We're looking at right around the 3 o'clock time frame when we really start to notice those temperatures climbing to around 90 degrees. Going with a high of low 90s later on today, and then that cold front finally swings through, and that should really cut back on the heat and the humidity today, along with those strong and severe thunderstorms certainly packing a punch later on this afternoon. Mid-80s as we get towards your Tuesday. We're also going to be tracking some thunderstorm activity into tomorrow afternoon as well. So both days you'll have to be weather aware, but today certainly looks to be more of that strong to severe type of thunderstorms that will be pushing in. Futurecast showing us by noon, this line really starting to pick up back out towards our north and western zones, out towards the mountains region. Then that starts to flourish as it meets up with some of that very warm and humid air as it continues to move its way across north central Maryland, even across northernmost parts of Virginia, before that batch eventually pushes off towards Baltimore. We will have another batch down towards our south, mainly along and south of 66. That will eventually slide its way across southeastern Maryland before that pushes off towards the east. Still a few clusters of showers and storms with us even after sunset, but the thinking is that these will really start to weaken a little bit in comparison to what we see through the day today with the daytime heating of the day as opposed to after sunset. Tomorrow morning starting off also partly to mainly cloudy, but again, highs today, we're talking upper 80s to low 90s. As we head towards the next couple of days, that cold front clears the region, and as we look ahead towards your Tuesday, still a chance for a few of those spot showers and storms into the afternoon. High pressure tries to push its way in for our Wednesday, but it looks like Wednesday still a chance for some afternoon showers and storms. For Thursday and Friday is looking mainly dry. Here's a view of the rest of that 7-day outlook. Upper 80s for your Thursday, right around 90 on Friday. Still that threat for some showers and thunderstorms into the afternoon time frame, both weekend days, so those 2 days will also have to be weather aware as well. Shanika, how are those roadways this morning?
All right, so you are